Where in the blue hell are you?
I am somewhere. What the? I
What? What's up?
okay. We'll try this again, and hopefully I won't go back to the home page. No, because I'm just flying for like maybe 1 second as this bird, and then it goes to the home page of the site.
I think it's because you're American.
Probably.
You know, pigeons are kind of an English thing, unless you
Well,
live in New York.
we have plenty of pigeons in America.
Yeah, but we complain about it more.
Okay, let's see. I'm a. This is
This is fucking insane.
this is terrible. This game is not like my computer. You're telling me I can run Crisis on this, but I can't run Fly Like a Bird too. Oh
Fucking
my
hell.
god.
Wow. Well, it's an old
What?
game. Maybe it just, I don't know. Maybe your computer just finds it insulting. It's like, really? You want to play this game?
Pretty
Fuck this
much.
shit.
Oh, look, oh, and it does it again. Oh, no.
Oh? Uh,
Which one are you?
I don't know. I don't even know if I'm in the fucking
You even know
server.
what name you are? Are you Eclipso?
No.
What about Sap?
No.
It's like a budget Nintendo 64 game.
Exactly.
Come on. Hey, get back here so I can crap on you. Now, which one are you? Oh. Are you Swag Pigeon R?
No.
I was
Okay,
about to
yes.
say.
That's me. Turn around. One more time.
Ah, these people need to get back here so they can get pooed on by. See, we need seagulls for this.
Yeah.
I just pooed on Swag Pigeon R.
Why are you trying to ruin my swag, man?
Oh my god.
Wonder what happens if you just play like chicken.
Oh my god. The controls for this game are terrible.
How, why do you press down to go up? Where's the logic in that? This is fucking insane. Oh, there's people. I'm gonna shit on them.
Okay, so up is up and down is up.
Fucking logistics, dude.
So, ooh, you crashed.
For good reason. I got some chips, bruh. You can easily tell that this was made in England. You're probably like completely mind fucked. You're desperately trying to search for the chips, but you just keep coming across fries. You're like, where are the chips? Damn it!
No, it's like I need people just like slow down, let me poo on you.
Where is everyone? Oh, come and sap. I'm gonna shit this shit on thief. It is gonna
Nose dive.
I see you, Ryan. Da, 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 da. Okay, you got.
My name is Can You Not?
Nice. Oh, I crashed. Fuck.
Swag Pigeon R has departed.
Alright, I'll be back. Don't you worry about that.
Don't you worry about a thing. I just hit a drive-by poop on these people.
Fucking drive by. Yeah.
Ryan, please.
It's not just please, it's please. Ryan, please.
Oh, I ate some chips, so I got, I'm stored up with some more crap.
Oh, I found the black people. Charge! Fuck.
Ah, you missed.
Fuck you.
After this, I'm probably about to go to sleep.
Yeah, me too. This is just getting ridiculous. Wait till you see my name. This is a fucking disaster. Nick Cage. Nice. I'm just gonna go stalk Babette. She's like, oh man. I'm giving her a pigeon job. Fucking classy. That's chat. Oh, she wants to wants a rim job. She wants a
Oh,
rim.
dang.
That's fun. Oh shit.
I'm trying to type here.
It's fucking, oh shit. No. She just pooped on me. She pooped on me. I show my affection and she poops on me.
Oh.
Stop pooping on me. I love you. Stop pooping on me.
Well, I guess she didn't give a shit.
That was fucking terrible. Don't ever do that again, please. Just no. That was wow. Okay.
Baby, baby, please.
No, baby, come back. Where is she? Are you the crackhead?
Yeah.
Close up. Suck my shit. Oh fuck, I missed. Oh, and I crashed. Lovely. Fucking great. Stop crashing into buildings. God, my fucking pigeon is blind.
Oh my god. No.
And I lost.
I can't even move my bird anymore. Oh.
I'm gonna get a fucking restraining order. Taste my shit. Nice, Ryan. Real classy, dude. What are you doing with my life? I'm playing. It's 4 in the morning and I'm playing as a pigeon. I love this little dance it does with its head. It's like a Michael Jackson video.
Oh.
Do 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 do.
Fly, my minion.
Fly, my pretties, fly, fly, my pretties. God damn it! I was. Ah, you shit on me, you motherfucker. You mother. I'm gonna shut you so hard. It's gonna be running at your dick. Come here. Fuck. I think this is my favorite name yet.
He just stole
He got some chips. That's probably the most British thing you're ever gonna hear. Got some chips. This fucking chat is amazing. Married? LOL. Oh wow. This is the highlight. Just everyone just talking. How do you chat? I really want to chat. Ah shit.